Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed transpose of a matrices and symmetric skew symmetric matrices concept and some exercise and example problems also we completed. In previous class, exercise 3.3, we completed 5 problems total. So now today class will continue the remaining problems. So now today first problem is exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.3 exercise 3.3 problem number 6. If two problems is there, one problem I'll explain, one problem you can take as a homework. If A is equal to one matrix the given, verify that A dash into A dash means what? A transpose into A is equal to I verification we have to make. For that purpose, solution, first I'll find A dash. What is the matrix A dash? A dash I will find row right as a column, cos alpha, sin alpha. So next one, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So now A dash into A. What is the A dash matrix? A dash matrix is cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha here into A. What is the matrix A? As it is we have to write cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha here cos alpha. So row by column multiplication we have to make. Cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha, minus into minus plus, here also plus, sin square alpha. Next one, cos alpha into sin alpha, first row second column, cos alpha sin alpha, here minus you will get, otherwise plus you write if you have confused, minus sin alpha into cos alpha. So next, sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha into minus sin alpha, cos alpha into minus sin alpha. Next last one, sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha plus cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. So now you observe this one, plus into minus, minus cancel you will get, plus into minus, minus cancel you will get. This one trigonometric identity is there. First trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So we can write here 1 0 0 and last one also 1. Cos sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. This is equal to I. Therefore, A dash into A is equal to I. Hence, proved. Only for this problems, this type of problems only you will get the I. So next, this problem number 2 take as a homework. Next, problem number 7 in exercise 3.3. Show that matrix A is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means what? A dash is equal to A if you are getting, that is symmetric matrix. And second problem also, skew symmetric we have to show. Skew symmetric means what? A dash is equal to minus A. That we have to check. Very simple problem. A dash is equal to, dash means row right as a column. Next, minus 1 2 1 5 1 3. I am writing row as a column, row writing as a column. You observe again this is A or not? A dash is equal to, after doing transformation also we are getting A. Therefore, A is symmetric matrix. A is symmetric matrix. Next, here A dash will find. A dash is equal to 0 1 minus 1. Row writing as a column. Next row, second row, that means second column will write. Third row, third column will write. If you take common negative, this is not equal. If you take negative common, what you will get? 0, negative outside, so 1, here positive is there, negative. When we are taking negative common, positive is there, negative, negative is there, positive we have to write. Minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0. You observe, this is A or not? This is A matrix. Therefore, A dash is equal to what we got? Negative A, minus A we got. Therefore, A is skew symmetric matrix. Next, problem number 8. For the matrix A matrix 2 by 2 matrix given, verify that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix, A minus A dash is Q symmetric matrix. Two problems we have to verify a solution. First of all, I will find A already there, A dash I will find. So A dash means what you will get? Row right as a column. Column right as a row, automatically it will change. So A dash, A is there, A dash is there. First problem, A plus A dash is symmetric we have to show. So first I will find A plus A dash. What we will get first of all? A plus A dash. What is A? 1, 5, 6, 7. Next 1, 6, 5, 7. Addition we are making. 1 plus 1 is 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, 6 plus 5 is 11, 7 plus 7 is 14. Now A plus A dash whole dash, A plus A dash whole dash, row right as a column, this row right as a column and this row right as a column. You observe, again you got A plus A dash. After making transformation also same you are getting. Therefore, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. This is the way of verifying the symmetric or not. Next, skew symmetric, how we'll see. Number 2. A minus A dash I will find first. A minus A dash. What is A matrix? 1, 5, 6, 7 minus A dash. 1, 5, 6, 7. So subtraction you make. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. So this is what? A minus A dash, just A minus A dash. Now I will find A minus A dash whole dash. Again transpose making. That time what you will get? Row right as a column. First row right as a first column, second row right as a second column. You observe these two are not matching, but if you take negative common, 0, minus 1, 1, 0. So now it is same as A minus A dash. Therefore, A minus A dash whole dash is equal to minus A minus A dash. After making transpose, we are getting negative symbol. Therefore, A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Next, problem number 9. Find 1 by 2 into A plus A dash and 1 by 2 into A minus A dash when A matrix they given. So very simple here, just substitutions we have to make. A dash I will find first. What is the A dash? Row right as a column, second row right as a second column, third row right as a third column. Right? Now 1 by 2, first one, 1 by 2 into A plus A dash, 1 by 2 into A. What is a matrix A? 0, A, B, minus A, 0, C, minus B, minus C, 0, plus 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B C 0. So now 1 by 2 addition we have to make 0 plus 0 is 0, A plus of minus A 0, B plus of minus B, that also 0, 0, 0, 0. If you want 1 by 2 multiply inside, automatically you will get 0s only. Therefore 1 by 2 into A plus A dash, how much we got? 0 matrix. Next similar way, 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. So A minus A dash we have to find here. For that purpose, matrix A you write first. 0 A B minus B 0 C minus B minus C 0. Subtraction. Here addition, there subtraction. That is a different. 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B C 0. So now simplify this one. Subtraction, 0 minus 0, corresponding element subtraction. 0, A minus of minus, A minus of minus plus you will get, minus of minus plus, A plus A is 2A. Next 2B you will get minus A minus A, minus 2A, 0 minus 0 0, C minus of minus C, 2C. Next one minus B minus B, minus 2B. Next one minus 2C, here 0 will get. If you multiply inside 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2 get cancelled, A, B minus A, why? Because 2 get cancelled, 1 by 2, 2, 0, C minus B minus C 0. So this is the 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. Next example 22. Express the matrix B. This is a 3 by 3 matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. We discussed one theorem in previous class. Every square matrix we can represent as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. By using the example, this one, by using the given matrix, we have to show sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So this is important for 3 marks question, especially 2 by 2 matrix they'll ask. In next problem we'll see the 2 by 2 also. First we'll complete this one, example 22. So solution, first we have to find the B dash. B dash is equal to 2 minus 2 and minus 4. Next minus 1, 3, 4. 1 minus 2 minus 3. So now I am taking, let capital P is equal to 1 P I am taking, assuming 1 by 2 into B plus B dash. 1 by 2 into B plus B dash. What is the B matrix? This matrix and this matrix addition. Direct I am writing here. 1 by 2 into B plus B dash. First element, 4 you will get. Next minus 2 plus of minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1, that is also minus 3. Next one minus 1 minus 2 plus, if we are making minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Next minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4 is 2. Next minus 4 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, otherwise minus 2 plus 4, minus 2 plus 4 also same, here addition making no problem. Next minus 3 plus minus 3, minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. You can make multiply inside, otherwise leave here only. So this is P. Now I will find P dash. P dash means we have one property, Ka whole dash is equal to Ka dash. K is constant, keep it like that only. So 1 by 2 into constant as it is, this one dash. How will make dash? 4 minus 3 minus 3. Next one minus 3 6 2. Row writing as a column. Next row minus 3 2 minus 6. You observe after making transformation also we are getting P. Therefore P dash is equal to P. Therefore P is symmetric matrix. P is symmetric matrix. Similar way we have to find now another skew symmetric matrix. Let Q is equal to 1 by 2 into B minus B dash. B minus B dash. So what is the B matrix here? Subtraction. Direct make subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0. First element. Next minus 2 minus of minus plus minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Next minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Minus 1 minus of minus plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Next one 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus of minus plus 4 plus 2 is 6. Next 1 minus of minus plus 4, that is 5. Next minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Next one minus 3 minus of minus plus minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So this is a skew matrix. Now Q dash is equal to, constant is there as it is, you write, no problem for that one. Next row write as a column. First row write as a first column, second row write as a second column, third row write as a third column. Now I'll take minus common here. What you'll get? 0 minus 1 minus 5 1 0 6. Next 5 minus 6 0. If you observe, this is Q. Q dash is equal to minus Q. Therefore Q is what? Q is skew symmetric matrix. Q is skew symmetric matrix. Now P plus Q I will make. P plus Q. What is the P matrix here? 1 by 2. What is the Q matrix? 1 by 2 into is there 1 by 2. I will take first outside common. Direct I am making, concentrate and see. 4 plus 0. 4 minus 3 plus of minus. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. Next minus 3 plus of minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. Next minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. Next 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Next minus 6 plus 0 minus 6. If you 1 by 2 inside multiply, 4 by 2 is 2, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. Next minus 2 is nothing but minus 1, 3, 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So that result you will get. If we are making P plus Q, we are getting that result. That result you observe, matrix B or not? This is equal to B. So now what we can conclude? B writing as a sum of the two matrices which are symmetric and skew symmetric. This one proved. Sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. B representing as a sum of the, this is symmetric matrix, this is skew symmetric matrix. Next, similar problems like example 22. Express the following as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Here, previous problem we discussed 3 by 3 matrix. So, I will explain now here 2 by 2 matrix, and this is important for 3 marks questions. Important for 3 marks. So, first problem I will explain here. They didn't give any name for the matrix. This matrix I am taking as a capital A. You can take B also. Previous problem in example 22, direct B they given. So, B we continued it. Here A I am taking. So, A 3, 5, 1, minus 1. So, now find the A dash first. Write as a column. Row write as a column. Completed first step. Next, let P is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus A dash. Previous problem B is there, B plus B dash we wrote. Here A is there, so A plus A dash. So 1 by 2 into, direct I am writing 3 plus 3 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 5 is 6, minus 1 plus of minus 1, minus 1 is minus 2. If you multiply inside 1 by 2, what you will get? 3, 3, 3, minus 1. This is the P matrix. So, now I will find P dash. P dash is equal to what you will get? Row write as a column. First row write as a column. Next second row write as a column. This is equal to P or not? It is equal to P. Therefore, P dash is equal to P. For P is symmetric matrix. P is symmetric matrix. First one completed. Next, let Q is equal to 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. 1 by 2 into A minus A dash. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus of minus plus, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. If you 2 multiply inside 0, 2, minus 2, 0. This is Q. Q dash is equal to what you will get? Row write as a column. But it is not equal to Q. So, that is why I will take common minus 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Minus Q. Q dash is equal to how much we got? Minus Q we got. Therefore, Q is skew symmetric. Q is skew symmetric matrix. Now, P plus Q I will make. What is a P matrix? P matrix is 3, 3, 3, minus 1 plus Q matrix is Q matrix. Don't get confused here. This is a different, this is different. So, you have to take Q compulsory. Minus 2. What result you will get? 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1. Therefore, this is what? A. P plus Q is equal to A. Therefore, A writing as a sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Final conclusion we have to write sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. And these 3 problems take as a homework. This 3 by 3 matrix is there like example 22. This is 2 by 2 matrix is there like this problem only. These 3 problems take as a homework. Next, problem number 11 and 12. These are the multiple choice questions. These are important for CET also. This type questions, previous CET questions, they ask this type also. So, now see the problem number 11. A and B are symmetric matrices. That means A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. that meaning of symmetric matrices of same order. Then what about AB minus BA they are asking. So whole dash you make here, whole dash if you are making AB whole dash minus BA whole dash. Why? Because we have the properties. By the properties, just inside transpose you make. Multiplication property is that compulsory will satisfy this condition. B dash into A dash minus A dash into B dash. Reverse. First we have to write the second matrix, then we have to write the first matrix. So B dash means what? B. A dash means what? A minus AB. If you take negative common, AB minus B, what we got? AB minus BA whole dash is equal to minus we got. Negative we are getting. That means it is a skew symmetric matrix. Option A is correct. Next, problem number 12. A matrix is there, then condition given. A plus A dash is equal to I. So A plus A dash is equal to I. Find out the alpha, angle value we have to find. A matrix, cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha plus A dash. A dash means row right as a column. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha is equal to 1001. So addition we have to make. Cos alpha plus cos alpha is 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha 0, sin alpha minus sin alpha 0. Next here 2 cos alpha is equal to 1001. Comparison. Equal means corresponding elements equal. Cos alpha, 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. That is nothing but 1 by 2 when you will get cos pi by 3, cos 60 degrees. So alpha is equal to how much you will get? Pi by 3. So option B is correct answer. Next, example 27. This is miscellaneous problem. Miscellaneous example, like this is a theorem. Important for 3 marks question. Here 2 we have to prove. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then show that AB is symmetric. AB is symmetric if and only if A and B are commutative. Commutative means AB is equal to BA. So first we have to take this one, we have to prove this one. If and only if condition means first condition we have to take, second condition we have to prove. Next, second condition we have to take, first condition we have to prove. 2 ways if we are making, that is called a if and only if condition. So solution. First, given AB is symmetric matrices, that means A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. Symmetric matrices, condition I took. Let, first I am taking, let AB is symmetric. AB is symmetric. That is AB whole dash is equal to AB. Symmetric I am taking now. So AB whole dash is equal to AB you will get. If and only if this we have to prove. For that purpose, now AB whole dash is equal to AB whole dash. We have the property, by using the property, not this one, property using B dash A. What is B dash? B dash is B. A dash is A. So is what? AB whole dash is equal to B. This equation 1, this one equation 2. From 1 and 2, what we can conclude? AB whole dash is equal to AB, AB whole dash is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. This is called a commutative. A and B are commutative. We are taking symmetric, we are getting commutative. This is a one way completed. One equation taking, second equation, second statement proving. Next, second statement you take, let AB is equal to BA. That is nothing but A and B are commutative. A and B are commutative. That means AB is equal to BA I am taking. Now AB whole dash, we have the property AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So what is a B dash? B, already symmetric, so B dash is equal to B, A dash is equal to A. By this third equation, BA plus what we can write? AB, since from equation 3. Therefore AB whole dash is equal to AB, AB whole dash is equal to AB. Therefore AB is symmetric. First you observe, very easy and important. First symmetric took, we proved commutative. Next commutative we took, we proved symmetric. This is called if and only if statement. Next concept is invertible matrices. Actually we won't use here in this chapter. In next chapter we'll use inverse finding, that all things in determinant chapter will continue, but these are the basic information about the invertible. We'll see. If A is a square matrix of order m, and if there exists another matrix B of same order m, of A order how much is there, same B order is there, and this condition satisfy means AB is equal to BA is equal to I. This condition satisfied, then B is called inverse of a matrix A. B is called inverse of a matrix A, and it is denoted by A inverse. A inverse is equal to B. Then A is called invertible matrix. Invertible means that matrix inverse will be exist. That type of matrices is called invertible matrices. And here reverse also possibility is there. B inverse is equal to A also we can write. Here both conditions will satisfy. A inverse is equal to B or B inverse is equal to A. Very important actually. In future higher classes also this is important. Invertible. Inverse how we'll find, that is in 4th chapter we'll see. Next, one theorem statement also important here. A and B are invertible matrices. Invertible matrices means inverse exists of the same order, then AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This one remember important. AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. In AB whole dash, in transpose also we discussed AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Here AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So by this one, this totally chapter, matrices chapter completed. In next class we will continue with the another chapter. Notes purpose in description box link is there. You can click that one, you can write the notes also. Thank you.